Hey guys, we received this Cali's collection 30-inch brick snake clog remover. So there are total 10 pieces in which 5 pieces is for snake clog remover, which is a 35.5-inch sink snake hair removal, 1 pieces, and then 59-inch cleaning brush, 4 piece. So this is a flexible drain cleaner tool for the shower, toilet, bathroom, or sink tub. As you can see, this one is the snake or the sink snake hair removal tool. So this is a really nice quality, and you can see like it's a flexible as well. And then when you push it up, it have this claw to catch up your hairs and stuff. So this is a really nice thing to catch up your stuck hairs from the sink and thing. And this flexible neck can go anywhere into the sink. And this one is for the removal, like is a 30 inches with the brush, and then 0.43 inches with this clog or the cleaning. I like this thing, like if you want to just use it for the thing. And here is the flexible neck that you can see it here. So this extra neck is really helpful in cleaning up the stuff. So this can be used for straws or any small things. And you can see like if it is a straw or a small opening, it can clean really well. And you can also use it for a different purpose, like cleaning your refrigerator drain or the water opening or any other thing. So this have this flexible neck, so that's very helpful.